This April is Stress Awareness Month, which is dedicated to informing the public about the causes and cures of the modern-day stress epidemic. A Gallup poll released last year showed that Americans reported experiencing higher levels of stress, anger and worry than they had in a decade. And compared to their global counterparts, Americans reported feeling markedly higher levels of stress, with 55% of U.S. adults saying they experienced stress throughout much of the day, compared to 35% of adults globally. There are countless reasons that people report feeling stressed. But health is one of the more common factors, and if your health is suffering due to an injury accident, that adds an additional layer of frustration and worry. A personal injury lawsuit can help you get compensation for lost wages, damaged property, medical bills, and more. It can get you on sound financial footing again, so that you can focus on healing rather than worrying about mounting bills. That said, many people worry that the lawsuit can bring stresses of its own. Stressful aspects of a lawsuit may include completing all required legal paperwork correctly and in a timely manner, dealing with the other legal party or their insurance company. Adversarialization, a phenomenon where the plaintiff is made to feel like the bad guy for bringing the lawsuit. The lack of privacy and having to open up so much of your life to your own legal counsel or the opposing legal party. Having to relive the details of the accident. Little wonder that there is actually a name for the negative emotional responses that can come with legal action, litigation response syndrome. Fortunately, though, personal injury lawsuits do not have to be painful if you adhere to some key strategies. If you are concerned about the emotional fallout from filing a personal injury claim, consider the tips below for minimizing stress while recovering the financial compensation that can get you back on the path toward a brighter future. Get good legal counsel. Personal injury law can be confusing and big insurance can be intimidating. That said, accident injury attorneys deal with these types of cases all the time. Enlist the help of a seasoned Las Vegas lawyer right from the beginning of your case to help you navigate the legal complexities and get the most compensation possible. Make sure to get either a personal recommendation or look at online reviews before settling on an attorney. We also recommend that you meet with the attorney before committing to use their services so that you can make sure you have compatible personalities and outlooks. Make a list. So much about an injury accident can feel out of your control. You may have lost property, good health and your job through no fault of your own. Writing down a plan for moving forward may be just the thing you need to restore a little bit of control in your life. Write down each task that you need to accomplish, including compiling medical records and receipts and writing down the details of the accident. Organize everything into folders so you can keep your records and paperwork straight. These things will be critical for constructing a strong personal injury case, and you'll want to be able to access them easily. See your doctor. If you haven't seen a medical professional yet, make an appointment today. If you have seen a doctor and need to schedule follow-up appointments for additional therapies, you should also take care of this right away. Your stress levels will be higher if you are dealing with injuries and pain. So allow the medical community to help you as much as possible in working through your health issues. Besides that, your case will be more compelling if you can show that you have complied with your doctor's orders. Be patient. The U.S. legal system has many admirable qualities, but speed is not necessarily one of them. The system is full of checks and balances and requirements to meet different standards. These safeguards help protect the legal rights of all parties, but they can also bog down your case, so it feels like it is moving at a turtle's pace at times. Adjust your expectations from the beginning to understand that getting the best possible results from your case may take time. Don't be in such a rush to get compensation that you settle for an offer that is less than what you deserve. Your attorney can help you know whether to accept an offer or to wait for one that will be better for you in the long run. Streamline your schedule. If you're trying to heal from an injury while pursuing a personal injury claim, your life is going to be busy. This will not last forever, but you need to be prepared to put in the necessary amount of time to get the best outcome. Evaluate your schedule and see if there are things that you can drop or postpone to allow you to focus on these priorities. This may mean going off of social media, taking a leave of absence from a committee that you serve on, or asking for help getting your kids to and from activities. Tell the truth. Be honest with your attorney. Doing anything less can weave a tangled web that could end up discrediting your case in the long run and adding an extra burden of stress to your life that you don't need right now. Stay balanced. Your injury may feel like it is your focus, but don't lose your focus on the other parts of your life. Continue to do the things that keep you grounded, whether it be exercising, as your injuries permit, spending time with your family, or connecting with friends. This will help with your healing process and also help you keep the best perspective about your personal injury case. A personal injury case can help relieve future stresses by recovering your financial losses so that you can move forward positively. By connecting with the proper resources and taking steps to manage your time and personal life effectively, you can keep your stress levels in check while confidently pursuing the benefits that will enable you to heal physically and financially.